Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore topics related to manifestation, spirituality, and personal growth. Today, we're thrilled to discuss how you can harness the power of the quantum field by reshaping your thoughts. This is all rooted in the research and teachings of the esteemed author and speaker, Dr. Joe Dispenza. He's a leading authority in the realms of neuroscience, epigenetics, and quantum physics. With a track record of best-selling books, including Breaking the Habit of Being Yourselves and Becoming Supernatural, Dr. Dispenza has empowered countless individuals to transform their lives by imparting the wisdom of quantum mechanics and mindfulness. Rest assured, we're here today to address all your queries about the realm of abundance. So kick back, relax, and let's embark on a journey into the world of quantum mechanics and manifestation. So before we dive in, if you're new to the concept of the quantum field, it signifies the space between matter and energy where limitless possibilities reside. The quantum field is highly responsive to our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, offering us the extraordinary ability to co-create our own reality by adjusting our inner state to kickstart the journey towards abundance within this field. The first step is to grasp the science underpinning the quantum field. Picture it as a boundless ocean of energy, exquisitely attuned to our thoughts and emotions. According to quantum mechanics, our mental states, including thoughts and feelings, as well as every other element in the universe, are composed of energy encapsulating the entire cosmos. And whenever we think or feel something, our bodies emit a frequency or vibration that interacts with the quantum field, whether we're conscious or not. This interaction initiates a feedback loop that connects our internal state with the external world, effectively making us magnets for experiences aligned with our predominant focus. Negative thoughts or persistent negative emotions draw more negativity into our lives, while a focus on positivity and uplifting sentiments attracts corresponding experiences. The key to creating abundance in the quantum field is the transformation of our internal state through thoughts and emotions. This transformation is the pivotal initial step towards manifesting abundance in the quantum field. It necessitates nurturing conscious awareness of our thoughts and emotions and guiding them towards positivity and abundance. We can reprogram our thought patterns to focus on the aspects we wish to amplify in our lives. A powerful method for achieving this goal is meditation and visualization. By reprogramming our subconscious minds and aligning with the frequency of our desired outcomes through these practices, we harmonize our internal state with the vibration of abundance and positivity, thereby initiating the changes we seek. Affirmations represent another effective tool in creating abundance within the quantum field. These are positive statements we repeatedly tell ourselves to reinforce a specific mindset or set of beliefs. Affirmations are potent because they rewire the subconscious mind, replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations in the pertinent areas of our psyche. Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasizes the significance of affirmations in fostering abundance within the quantum field. He advises crafting affirmations that resonate with your desired outcomes and repeating them daily. For instance, if you aim to attract wealth, affirm to yourself, "I am worthy of abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly," or "I'm a magnet for prosperity and wealth." When seeking love, affirm, "I am a magnet for love." It's essential to select affirmations that authentically align with your inner state. Regularly affirming these statements will shift your internal state towards abundance and positivity, ultimately attracting corresponding frequencies in the quantum field. Over time, you'll notice tangible changes in your external reality, such as increased wealth, opportunities, and abundance unfolding gradually. The journey unfolds in stages and seemingly small, but profoundly transformative acts of gratitude and appreciation can have a profound impact on all facets of our lives. By focusing on the elements for which we're grateful, we redirect our attention toward positivity and abundance, subsequently magnetizing more experiences and circumstances that resonate with this newfound mindset. Making daily expressions of gratitude and appreciation a habit can be achieved through various means, including keeping a gratitude journal, meditation, or simply taking a few moments to admire the beauty in the world around us. One practical method is maintaining a gratitude journal. By practicing gratitude and appreciation, we heighten our awareness of the abundance already present in our lives and create space in our consciousness for even more opportunities and experiences aligned with our desired outcomes. As we train ourselves to embrace gratitude and appreciation, our lives transform in unforeseen ways. Emphasize the positive aspects of your life, and you'll naturally attract more positivity and abundance into your reality. To be successful in your journey towards abundance in the quantum field, you must shed the limiting beliefs that hold you back. These limiting beliefs typically originate from past experiences or societal conditioning and hinder the manifestation of your desired outcomes. Recognizing and replacing limiting beliefs is a crucial step in this process. Utilize mental rehearsal to envision yourself accomplishing your goals with confidence, thereby replacing negative beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, if you believe you're not deserving of success, visualize yourself achieving your goals and affirm, I am worthy of success. I am capable of achieving my goals. By integrating this visualization technique into your daily routine, you'll retrain your subconscious mind, shedding limiting beliefs and unlocking your potential to reach your goals. In conclusion, the path to creating abundance in the quantum field entails shifting your internal state towards positivity, gratitude, and abundance. Only then can you truly manifest your desires in the quantum realm. By releasing limiting beliefs, using affirmations, practicing gratitude, and embracing the underlying science of the quantum field, you gain the power to bring about the results you desire. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content on manifestation, spirituality, and personal growth. We post new videos daily, so don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.